In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video length in Grok AI. If you've been generating short clips and want a bit more breathing room for motion or storytelling, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the duration controls and what each option means, so you can confidently choose the length that fits your project. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type in Grok AI, then look for the official Grok website in the results. It should be the primary result with the recognizable brand and domain. Click through to open the site. Taking a moment to make sure you're on the official page helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures all features load correctly. Once you're on the Grok site, find and click the Imagine section. This is the creative workspace where you manage visual generation, including the video tool. It's designed to be straightforward, so if you don't see it immediately, scan the top navigation or the main landing area. Imagine typically sits prominently so you can jump right in. Inside Imagine, switch to the video area. This view focuses the interface on motion features and reveals the key controls you'll use for clip length. The video page is where Grok groups settings like aspect ratio, style, and, most importantly for us, duration. Now locate the duration picker. You'll see options for 6 seconds and 10 seconds. Click 6 seconds if you want to stay on the free tier. This is perfect for quick tests, proofs of concept, or short loops. It renders faster and lets you iterate rapidly while you refine your ideas. Because it's free, you can experiment without worrying about usage costs. If you need a longer clip, click 10 seconds. This increases the available time for transitions and more complex motion, and it's especially helpful when your prompt implies multiple beats or a scene that needs room to unfold. Note that 10 seconds is a paid feature, so selecting it may prompt an upgrade or plan confirmation. That's expected behavior. Just be aware before you proceed. Longer clips can also take more time to render, so build that into your workflow. A couple of quick tips as you choose. Pick your duration before you generate to avoid re-rendering later, and keep an eye on quality versus length. Sometimes a tight 6-second cut lands better than a slower 10-second take. And that's it. You've learned where to find the video duration settings in Grok AI, the difference between 6 seconds and 10 seconds, and when to use each.